Okay guys, Axe Train Spotter HD, and welcome back to another new video. And today I'm at Exeter St Thomas for another train video on this Thursday afternoon. As I was on my way home from work, I thought, why not come here and make a cheeky little video. Services you'll be seeing in this video by Great Eastern Railway and Cross Country, and you'll also be seeing a freight going from St Basie, coming from St Basie I should say, going to Bescott Downside, so which is near Walsall. So those are the services you'll see in this video. Length for the video, guys, just got to keep going basically until my battery dies. As I get in Cardiff on Tuesday, I was making a video on not so much battery life. My battery life for this video is a bit more better, so as you can see, it's partly sunny but also grey here at Exeter St Thomas, so hopefully the weather might hold up. But if we do get a few little light showers, which we did have a minute ago, then I'll still continue. But so I'll give you a heads up on that, guys. So we'll be back in a few minutes with the very first train of the video. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to a very windy Exeter St Thomas now, quite blustery. Back to come through shortly will be a late running Great Eastern Railway service from London Pads into Plymouth. Apologies if you can't hear me throughout this video. So like I said, it is quite windy today in Exeter. Apparently we have a spell of windy weather tonight, so it's British weather for you guys. Should come through now, hopefully. Hard to come back now. And coming through shortly on this side will be a cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. Now usually when you get the Plymouth to Edinburgh services, it's usually a cross-country HST, so doesn't look like it's coming yet, so we'll come back in a few seconds, guys. There she is, London Pads into Plymouth. Is it a 9 or a 10 coach IET? So it was a double IET and a double Vordra. So numbers on the double IET was 802004 and 802021, I think. And unfortunately I didn't catch the numbers on the double Vordra. It looked like it was both of them was a full car Vordra, so there would be 220s. So good start to the video, guys. So I'll come back in a few minutes with, well, you guessed it, and you know you love me saying this, some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now will be the Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton, actually coming in quite early I think. Nonetheless, 15243 at the front. Double 150, and we'll see it go out very shortly. Okay, back to park now a bit, guys. Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton. (150-221) at the back. Still looking rather filthy. Okay guys, next train of the video will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. Looks like it's formed of a 143 or 150 combo on this one. That's the good old bouncy pacer at the front. 143. I think that's 612. Oh, that's good. I haven't seen the 612 for a while, so that's good. Okay guys, back to the part now, be a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. Has to be the 150-207 at the back. How do I know that, guys? It said the 207 from the side of the train. So coming through now will be another train, which I don't know about. So it looks like just an empty coach and stock pacer, 143 620 on the train. That's unusual. Yeah, okay guys, when I looked at the real-time trains app, I didn't see that on there. Okay, well that's an extra train for the video anyway, to say the least. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, coming through now will be a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Exeter St David's. It's formed of a castle set, that's good. This is on time. Wow, what a coincidence that is, guys. That was a castle set that got me to Cardiff Central on Tuesday. So it's the 43155 with the Rougemont Castle nameplate at the front, and the 43041 with the St Catherine's nameplate at the back. That's ironic, guys. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me a castle set is beginning to be my follower now, which I don't mind. I don't mind it. I don't mind a castle set being my follower because I love castle sets, but I didn't expect that. But you know, good to say the least anyway. So we're back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, next train of the video will be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. This one here is stopping here. Looks like there's another double 150. 150-202 at the front. And the 150-249 at the back. Coming through shortly on this side will be a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. That train is not stopping here. That one will be going through. So yeah, I'll come back in a few seconds once this train goes out. Okay guys, back to the part now. Will be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Formed of a double 150, 150-202 leading the way with the 150-249 at the back. Okay guys, we'll come, nope, we won't come back in a few seconds. In fact, the Great Eastern Railway service from Peyton to Exeter is about to come through now, so we'll keep the camera rolling. Pacer at the front. So 143.621 at the front with the 150.263 at the back. Apparently the 263 with the ugly lights. So there you go guys, it goes to prove that not all trains stop at Exeter Thomas coming from Paignton and going to Paignton. So yeah. Anyway guys, we're back in a few minutes with, well you guessed it, some more trains. Oh, I heard that one coming guys, that one caught me off guard, I didn't expect that. That's that return of that 143.620 pacer. Just managed to press the record button in time for that. So the next trains on the video will be two IETs, one coming from London Paddington going to Plymouth I believe, and one coming from Penzance going to London Paddington. So yeah, we'll come back soon with those trains. Okay guys, next train to make an appearance will be another Great Eastern Railway service going to London Paddington. Looks to maybe be a 10 coach IET. Oh, it's a 9 coach one, 802-102 is the number on the train. So we'll come back in a few seconds with another IET pass from London Paddington. So we'll come back then guys. Okay guys, we're back and there's another IET coming through now going to Penzance I believe. Let's actually say at the side. A02-010 at the front with the A02-015 at the back. It's actually going to Plymouth. Okay then guys, we'll be back in a few minutes. Well, there's not much else to say is there, with some more trains. Okay guys, back to come round the bend with the return of that castle set going back to Penzance from Exeter St David's. Okay guys, the next train on this video will be a slightly late running cross-country service to Leeds, so we'll come back soon with that train. Okay, we're back guys, and we do have that cross-country service to Leeds, and it's informed of a cross-country HST. It's 43.384 at the front with the 43.303 at the back. That's a lot of bloody threes. Okay guys, we're back in a few minutes, well you guessed it, with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. Coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. This one is running slightly late. The Great Eastern Railway service to Peyton is running late as well though. 150-247 on his own. Bit of a surprise. Come back in a few seconds once it goes out. Okay guys, back to the part now. Be a Great Eastern Railway Service to Exmouth with the 150-247 on the train. Just this 2-coach one. We have the late running Great Eastern Railway Service to Payton now coming in. 150-265 at the front. The 143-603 at the back. Looking rather filthy. Come back in a few seconds once it goes out. Okay guys, back to the part now. It'll be a late running Great Eastern Railway Service to Payton. Not sure what the hold up was on this one. 143-603 at the back, the 150-265 leading the way. Okay guys, we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Hey guys, next train to make an appearance will be a cross-country service from Glasgow Central to Plymouth. (221-134) on the train, Super Voyager. Okay guys, next train to make an appearance will be a cross-country service to Leeds. Double Voyager, try and catch numbers. So it's 221-141 at the front. I've got the number at the back, it was a 220 anyway. 220-012 maybe. Okay guys, next train you see in this video will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington, so we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, coming through now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. This is actually on time. The 802009 at the front with the 802012 at the back. And coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. A return of the double 150 it looks like. The 221 is it? Yep, 150-221. The 150-243 at the back. Okay guys, back to the part now will be the Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. Hey guys, next train to make an appearance will be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. The return of the 15263 with no doubt the 143621 at the back. Okay guys, well the next train you'll see on this video will be that freight train coming from St Basie going to Bescot Downside. So yeah, he's actually waiting at Dawlish Warren at the moment. Assuming he'll be on his way soon, so we'll come back soon with that freight train. Okay guys, welcome back to a windy Exeter St Thomas, and I thought the next train would have been the freight train, but it's not. And that was the reason why the freight train had to wait for this train to pass by. So yeah, it's Great Western Railway service to London Paignton, 802021 at the front with the 802004 at the back. And we will be seeing a cross-country service passing by shortly on this side, coming from Newcastle to Plymouth, and that also will be a Voyager. So yeah, and the freight train is on its way now. So yeah, those will be the last two trains of the video, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, about to pass by now. It'll be a cross-country service from Newcastle to Plymouth. Actually going to Penzance. It's actually going to Penzance, guys, so not Plymouth. But Dole Voyager, didn't quite catch the numbers unfortunately. So the next train on the video will definitely be that freight train going to Bescot Downside, so we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, here it is. Here's the freight train finally, going from St Basie going to Bescot Downside. Train a load of 1,000 tons. That looks like it's using the blue Maritime logo. (66.005) on the locomotive. Nice to see a blue Maritime logo. You don't often get that down here. So as that freight train comes through, yes, I'll leave it here at Exeter St Thomas on this Thursday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Nice long video, nice 25-minute long video. Nice variety of trains as always, can't fault it. And obviously to round that up with the freight train at the end. So yeah, so until next time, for me here at a very windy Exeter St Thomas, I'll see you all soon guys. Take care.